Have you ever felt your stomach churning when you're anxious or stressed? Have you wondered why your body reacts this way? If you've ever experienced anxiety-induced nausea, you're not alone. Many people face this uncomfortable duo, and it's more common than you might think. In this video, we're exploring the fascinating connection between anxiety and nausea through the lens of the nervous system. How does anxiety trigger nausea? What's happening in your body to cause this reaction? Understanding these connections can help you manage these symptoms more effectively. We'll cover the basics of anxiety, the science behind nausea, and explain the powerful brain-gut connection. Plus, we'll share practical tips to help you find relief and improve your quality of life. So, if you're ready to learn more about how your mind and body are interconnected and how to manage anxiety-induced nausea, keep watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our community for more insights on mental and physical health. Let's get started. What is anxiety? Anxiety is a natural response to stress, characterized by feelings of worry, nervousness, or fear. It can be triggered by various factors, including work pressures, financial concerns, health issues, or significant life changes. While occasional anxiety is a normal part of life, persistent and excessive anxiety can lead to an anxiety disorder. Common symptoms of anxiety include rapid heartbeat, sweating, trembling, difficulty concentrating, and restlessness. It can also manifest physically, causing symptoms such as headaches, muscle tension, and digestive issues. Different types of anxiety disorders include generalized anxiety disorder, GAD, panic disorder, social anxiety disorder, and specific phobias. Understanding anxiety involves recognizing these symptoms and identifying triggers that cause or worsen them. By being aware of how anxiety affects both the mind and body, individuals can take steps to manage their symptoms and improve their overall well-being. Understanding nausea. Nausea is an uneasy feeling in the stomach that often precedes vomiting. It can be caused by various factors, including motion sickness, infections, medications, and digestive issues. The sensation of nausea is controlled by the brain, particularly the brainstem's vomiting center. When the brain detects a threat, such as a toxin or extreme stress, it triggers the vomiting center, leading to the sensation of nausea. Anxiety can activate this response due to the body's fight-or-flight mechanism, which releases stress hormones that affect the digestive system. Understanding the science of nausea helps in recognizing why anxiety can make you feel nauseous, emphasizing the strong connection between the brain and the digestive system, the nervous system connection. The nervous system plays a crucial role in the connection between anxiety and nausea. The brain-gut axis is a complex communication network linking the central nervous system, the brain and spinal cord, with the enteric nervous system, the gut. This bidirectional pathway means that stress and emotions can significantly impact gut function. When you're anxious, your body's fight-or-flight response is activated, releasing stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones prepare your body to respond to perceived threats, but they also disrupt normal digestive processes. Blood flow is diverted away from the stomach, digestion slows down, and the gut's sensitivity increases, leading to nausea and other gastrointestinal symptoms. Understanding this connection highlights the importance of managing stress and anxiety to maintain gut health. By calming the nervous system, you can reduce the physical manifestations of anxiety, including nausea, and improve overall well-being. Managing anxiety-induced nausea. Managing anxiety-induced nausea involves both addressing anxiety and soothing the digestive system. Start with relaxation techniques like deep breathing exercises and progressive muscle relaxation, which can calm the nervous system. Mindfulness and meditation are also effective for reducing anxiety levels and their physical symptoms. Diet plays a role too. Opt for small, frequent meals and avoid trigger foods that can upset your stomach. Ginger and peppermint are natural remedies known to ease nausea. Staying hydrated is essential, as dehydration can worsen nausea. Regular physical activity helps manage anxiety and improve digestion. If anxiety and nausea persist, consider seeking professional help from a therapist or healthcare provider. They can offer personalized strategies and treatments to better manage your symptoms and improve your quality of life. Practical tips for immediate relief. When anxiety-induced nausea strikes, immediate relief is often needed. Start with deep breathing exercises to calm your nervous system. Inhale slowly through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale through your mouth. This can quickly reduce stress and ease nausea. Drinking ginger or peppermint tea can provide quick relief, as both have natural anti-nausea properties. Staying hydrated with small sips of water can also help settle your stomach. Find a quiet place to sit or lie down comfortably and practice progressive muscle relaxation, tensing, and then relaxing each muscle group. Applying a cool compress to your forehead or neck can also soothe nausea. Understanding the link between anxiety and nausea and knowing how to manage it can significantly improve your quality of life. By recognizing the signs and implementing practical strategies like relaxation techniques, dietary adjustments, and natural remedies, you can alleviate these uncomfortable symptoms. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights on managing anxiety and improving your overall well-being. Your support helps us create more valuable content for our community. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and remember to take care of your mental and physical health.